Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Fab Fit Fun box. On top we have some kind of scratch off game. I think we got one of those last time too. HelloFresh and a wine voucher. The first thing I have is a Black Blossom hand serum. I did get to pick most of my items, but I don't remember what I picked. So that's the first one. Also have a planner of some sort, I think. Notes. Oh, I like that. And there's different tabs. That's handy. And it even has a pocket folder in the back. Very cool. Oh yes, I do remember picking this. A beach towel. We do have a pool, so I always try to get those big beach towels. Then I have some rum hand and body wash. That sounds fun. Let's see what it smells like. If it actually smells like rum. I like that. It has like a nice masculine scent to it. Then from First Aid Beauty, this is firming cream. I haven't tried that before, but I've tried a lot of their other moisturizers and I've really liked them. So it's a full size. Happy to have that. And the last one, stainless steel stemless cup. It's probably just a little tumbler. Yep, I actually have this exact same one. I think I got it from FabFitFun last year. Looks very similar to the same color and everything. Very cool. I like that it has the rubber bottom, so that's a little bit different. Mine doesn't have that. But I think that's it. If you guys would like to subscribe to FabFitFun, it's quarterly, and I do have a promo code below in case you'd like to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.